Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today we're trying Stouffer's 8 3/8 ounce chicken pesto rigatoni, which is made with freshly made pasta with roasted white meat chicken tossed in a basil pesto sauce and costs $3.48. And just in case you did not understand the first time Stouffer's told you that it was made with roasted chicken, they tell you again. And then if you didn't understand the second time, they tell you for a third time. Here's a list of ingredients, and after they tell you the chicken is roasted chicken 3 times, in the ingredients, it's cooked grilled mark seasoned chicken. At least they admitted it's grilled mark chicken instead of grilled chicken. And of course, the chicken isn't full muscle meat chicken, it's a 4-meat slurry concoction. If these processed food manufacturers would simply use dark meat chicken, they wouldn't need to use a 4-meat slurry concoction. Their serving size is the whole container, which has 410 calories, 17 grams of total fat, 6 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 40 milligrams of cholesterol, 800 milligrams of sodium, 40 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 2 grams of sugars, and 24 grams of protein. Now here's our Stouffer's chicken rigatoni pesto right out of the freezer and right out of the box. And you can cook this in the microwave or the oven. And because I love you, the people, so much, I bought 2. So we can cook one in the microwave and one in the oven. So that you, the people, don't have to. And before we cook these, I have to say, at first glance, that chicken looks like frozen chunks of canned chicken. So the first one's going in the oven for 20 minutes on 350, and then after 20 minutes, we give it a stir, and then it goes back in for 10 more minutes. And then one in the microwave goes into the microwave on high for 2 minutes, and then we give it a stir, and then it goes back in for 1.5 more minutes. After cooking it in the microwave for a total of 3.5 minutes and resting for 1 minute, chicken rigatoni pesto is ready. So we got a big old spoonful and we took a bite. And it had good flavor, but overall it was very dry. And I know this is going to sound weird, but the pieces of chicken were way too big. Instead of the big pieces of chicken, it would have been nice to have a lot of little pieces of chicken, but it would have been even worse because these big pieces of chicken were very dry, like almost powdery dry, with no flavor. The pasta in this meal was cooked really well. The seasoning in the meal was really good. You could taste the garlic, the pesto, and lots of Parmesan cheese. But it needed more sauce. So if you want to buy this meal and you want it to be good, I would recommend throwing out the chicken and adding just a little bit of water or olive oil into it after you cook it. But I really wouldn't recommend buying this meal at all. Perfectly honest, I didn't even want to try the one out of the oven after trying the one at microwaved. But I had to do it for you, the people, so you didn't have to. Here's the oven version, and to be honest, it tasted exactly the same as the one cooked in the microwave. No better, no worse, it was equally as dry. So I'm giving both the microwave and oven version of the Stouffer's chicken rigatoni pestos a 3 out of 10. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.